Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to identify deep fake videos online. So guys, take an example. There was a video of Cole Palmer I saw on Instagram, but I did download it and I have it in my gallery. So quickly I'll open my gallery to check out this video that I saw. Alright, so the video was in a folder that I saved Deepfake because, to be honest, the video looked fake to me. So here's a video, and as you can see, before even watching the video, guys, this video is generally AI generated. Okay, as you can see, this person over here is called the dangerous AI. So this means this is a deep fake video, guys. All right, so let's play the video and hear what the guy was saying.
What cheeks, mate? Worse than Darwin Núñez. This dude misses 10 sitters a match.
So guys, you don't expect a professional player to say that this guy misses many chances in a match. That is more like compromising someone else. So this is a very deep fake video. As you can see from the eyes, the movements,
Honestly,
everything seems to be really fake, as you can see. So guys, to identify a deep fake video, first and foremost, look at the eye movements, okay, and then also look at the mouth and look at the gestures. To be honest, guys, this is a deep fake video, and that's how you can simply identify deep fake videos online. Thanks for watching, guys. We shall meet.